Today we are in the glorious Sherford and a very sunny day to see this corner plot 3-bedroom property. We are a stone's throw from Barbary Park. You have a garage, you've got a driveway for 2 cars. Internally, the property has been extended to create a nice big kitchen diner. It's a gem of property and I'm very much looking forward to showing you around. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, thank you very much for joining me at Holly House today. If you would like to book a viewing on the property or would like me to come and value your home, please get in touch and I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you very much.